I'm late. Let's cut to the chase.
And now, live from the red carpet, we have the big brother, the ladies' man, the bullet brave himself, the Dino Charge Black Ranger.
Hello everyone, this is KIDM the man bringing you guys another figure review of the Hasbro's Power Rangers Lightning Collection Dino Charge Black Ranger. This figure is a Target exclusive. Malaysia doesn't have one. I had to get this guy from my plastic drug dealer, the same time I got the Zordon and Alpha 5 2-pack. Check out the review on that. So without further ado, let's take a look at his articulations first, accessories second, then I'll let you know what I think of the figure. His head is on a ball joint, which allows him to look up that far and look down that far. 360 rotation. Do note that his shoulder pad hinders the articulation. Butterfly joint at the arm. Arm moves out. 360 rotation. Bicep swivel. Again, the shoulder pad hinders the articulation for the left arm. My left bicep is a little loose. Double jointed elbows. Wrist swivel. His hand can move up that far and move down that far. Upper torso swivel. He can crunch forwards and backwards. No waist swivel, but you get the idea. Ball joint at the legs, which allows him to kick up that far and kick back that far. The ladies will appreciate his spread. Upper thigh swivel. Double jointed knees. Here's another look. A bootcut swivel. Hinge joint at the feet. Kicking back that far and can go up that far. Last but not least, Hasbro's signature ankle pivot. On to his accessories. Let's pop his helmet off and pop his civilian head in. And here you have his civilian head. He comes with two weapon holding hands. One fisted hand, and one karate chop hand. He comes with his Dino Charge saber and his Dino Charge morpher. Last but not least, a new blast effect part. Simply align the two holes and peg them into the morpher. Although his left hand looks like this, I don't think it's meant to be for the blaster. You can use it to hold his sword, but it does kinda look weird on it. As for his right hand, it's meant to be. The morpher fits perfectly. And now you can have chase shooting like he did in the show. Although his character isn't much of a swordsmith, the sword is a nice accessory to have. Oh, I forgot about the size comparisons. Here he is standing next to the Dino Charge 5-inch action hero line. It's a shame that the shoulder pad isn't on a hinge joint. If it was, you would have a nice 360 rotation. And here he is standing next to his other Dino Charge team members. One thing to note is that his hand accessories are the exact same one as Dino Charge Red. And sadly still no silver paint on the back of the gloves. So much for an exclusive. Despite being a store exclusive, this figure is pretty awesome to pick up. The same body mold as Dino Charge Red. Other than the belt error, the painting on this figure is almost perfect. And I can easily repaint the back of the hands. Hasbro has captured a nice image of the head sculpt of the civilian head as well as the helmet, seeing as his dinosaur is based on the parasaur. I honestly don't know what else I can say about this figure. The painting? Good. The sculpting? Good. How does he look in your collection? So if you're a fan of Dino Charge or a Lightning Collection completionist, you should definitely pick this guy up. Now I know this is a short video, but what else can I say? It's not like I'm gonna gain the skills of Chase or his Japanese counterpart Ian and learn how to pick up girls or be a sharpshooter, right? So don't forget to leave a like, comment down below to let me know your thoughts, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power Rangers related content. This is KIDM the Man, and I'll see you guys next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, the horror of your presence is absolutely required at the marriage of